This VTuber had the biggest brain way to get minors out of their stream. So all of this first started with this tweet that was made by Attack Zombie or Zombie Attack. OMFG, this VTuber just pretended to do a giveaway open only to people 17 and under. And then everybody that entered got banned for being in an 18+ stream. I am cackling. Her chat played along talking about how it was a real giveaway and how there had been previous winners. Zombie then adds, it was at Rose Doodles and I feel bad I didn't name her before the tweet went big. She is amazing. And then Rose replied with, wait, LMFAO, this is about me. Not my fault they fall for, quote, if you were born after September 9th, 2006, you can enter to win a PS5 by using !PS5 in chat, end quote. Dumbass kids deserved. Rose adds, I didn't realize this concept would be so well received. Glad y'all like it. Since people keep asking, no, I don't care if you steal this idea. Nobody can own doing that. That's like if I said you couldn't use Ligma jokes. Come on now. And they do a call out to the type of content they normally do. And everybody is laughing about this. Ugu Beer says, I told you. And Rose says, when you sent me it, I almost spit out my drink. I wheeze cackled. Danny says, OMG, I want to use this idea. This is too good. If you don't mind, of course. And Rose says, by all means, I couldn't claim ownership over this sort of thing, even if I wanted to, LMAO. And honestly, Amaro Jaeger has exactly what I'm thinking. They wrote, wait, you mean to tell me that people born in 2005 are adults now? No effing way I can't. No, this can't be. And Rose says, embrace being a hag. And let's just watch this play down because it's too funny. And again, Rose is an 18+ VTuber. And this is so smart because a lot of times when you are an 18+ creator, as much as you on your end can try everything to get minors out, you know, with like 18+ stickers, flagging the stream as 18+, putting the mature setting on so people have to click in. Kids are kids, bro, and they're gonna try to sneak in whenever they can.
Welcome to the giveaway. I have a special opportunity for you, understood? Listen up, here are the rules. You are only allowed to enter this giveaway if you are 17 or under. If you are 18 years of age or older, you are not allowed to enter this giveaway. Make sure that you do not enter unless you are 17 or under. Here is what we are giving away. We are giving away a PS5 or...
Also, I feel like a lot of times people might be like, oh my God, what if like they just didn't listen to the rules and they entered and they got unfairly banned, but they were actually an adult. Yo, that's on you, bro. I'm just saying, like Rose clearly said, do not enter if you're over 18. Please do not enter. If you don't listen, that's on you, my guy.
Or equivalent console. If you were born after September 6th, 2006, you are eligible to win a PS5 or equivalent console if you decide. Please only enter if you are eligible by using !PS5 in chat. This program is to offer youth support via entertainment and immersion for those who cannot afford to purchase their own consoles. Attempting to enter this giveaway when you are ineligible may result in a ban, okay? So only enter the giveaway if you are eligible. We only have a few entries this month. Last month, we only had 12 or 13 entries, and we had a lucky winner, and it's already on their way. They're very, very excited. I believe it was to that guy named Avon or whatever.
Their commitment to the bit is crazy. Not to be like, yeah, last month we had a giveaway. This is the person's... I'm dead.
I can't remember the spelling, but yeah. Just to confirm, as I see the entrants joining the giveaway, I need to make sure that you can verify for me. Grimmy T23, you entered the giveaway. You are eligible. You have to be a 17 or under to enter. Is that correct? I want to make sure before I deliver a ticket to you, because if you win...
Deliver a ticket? I'm dead. They better be the pop from the bandhammer. I do like how Rose is like double checking. Like, are you sure you're under 18? Finger hovered over the ban button, like...
And then you find out that you won, and we find out that you are not allowed to do it, then you will get in very big trouble, understood? Same thing with lyrics, gotta verify you were born after September 6, 2006. You have to be born after that date to enter this giveaway. If you can confirm that, we will give you your ticket. Yes, yes, yes! And we have some people in chat who have already won PS5s from...
Also, completely unrelated, though. I love their stream overlay. Like, they're an artist, so maybe they made it themselves, but this is so clever. The chat on the arcade machine is so cute.
Previous giveaways throughout the summer and the spring. So, you know, if you want to ask anyone in chat that it's real, you know, there you go. I know it sounds really awesome, and you're like, but why would you give that away? Because it's a youth support summer program that we do through the entire summer, and then...
Youth support summer program! Dude, do they have a script or something? This is too good. This genuinely is too good to be unscripted.
We do that until we run out of consoles, because sometimes we do get extras donated to us throughout the year. So sometimes we get a few extra months out of it, you know? Yeah. You don't know how to use a console? That's okay. You can still enter for one if you're eligible. Once again...
chatters being like, remember, there isn't a lot of entries, so there's a high chance.
Again, the rules are as follows. Here you go. If you were born after September 6th, 2006, you are eligible to win a PS5. You can also trade it in for an Xbox or a Nintendo Switch. That is also fine. We do also offer Robux, but it is at a decreased rate of value. Please only enter if you are eligible by using !PS5 in chat. This program is to offer youth support via entertainment and immersion for those who cannot afford to purchase their own consoles. Attempting to enter this giveaway when you are ineligible may result in a ban. How do you verify that? By just saying, yes, I am actually eligible and I would like to enter. And then if you are the winner of the month, then you will have to verify, you know, with, you have to sign a contract that basically says that when we send the PS5 to you. Yeah, so just make sure that you're prepared to do that. You don't have to pay for shipping or anything. It's international shipping, completely free. The only thing you need to do is sign and say, yes, I consented to enter into the giveaway. That's it. Yep. But we only do that for the winner because, you know, we don't want to get any
Chat being like, they do more in-depth stuff after you win.
unnecessary data. That's not really our business, right?
I'm dead. Dr. Asianish wrote, the lucky winner last month joined on the last day is so... The fact their chat is in on this just makes it astronomically funnier to me.
Win a PS5 or equivalent console or decreased value worth of Robux. Please only enter if you are eligible by using !PS5 in chat. This program is to offer youth support via entertainment and immersion for those who cannot afford to purchase their own console. Attempting to enter this giveaway when you are ineligible will result in a ban. We also do offer equivalent cash value for computer parts as a voucher for your desired store. However, that is something that we would have to negotiate afterwards, but you can get that, or you can just sell the console. You don't have to keep it. So yeah.
Oh my god, not this person being like exclamation mark PS5.
You cannot be 18 years of age or older to enter. You have to be born after September 6, 2006. Stewie Wonder, you're born after September 6, 2006, just to verify that I can send you your entry ticket? Yeah?
Bro, when Rose is going off screen, it's probably just looking at a second monitor with freaking mod view open, like the name typed into the, you know, /ban space Stewie, just waiting to press enter.
I just want to make sure. Okay. It looks like we have 1, 2, 3 entries so far. Wait, after? Yeah. Okay, so you are not eligible. You're not born after September 6th,
they're not born after.
Understood. I will keep you from getting your ticket. You are not eligible. Thank you for verifying that you are not eligible. Okie dokie. So it seems like we only have 2 entrants, but I think, you know, I'm gonna be really generous and I'm gonna give, you said one anyway, because I'm just feeling real nice and I think they're eligible. So let me just hand those tickets out for you. One moment.
I hear typing, bro. I swear to God, it's /ban space user.
All right, there is 1 entry. There is 2. One sec, there's 2 entries. You know what? Actually, the giveaway's over now. Congratulations. You're not actually being entered into a giveaway. I'm just banning you because you are clearly a child. And you're not supposed to be here if you're under the age of 18. But it's very apparent to me that you are because of the way that you behave. Have a good day.
I am dead. That is too funny, bro. That is actually too funny. I love the creativity from Rose for this too, because kids fall for this all the time, swear to God. And apparently they do this every single stream. It's allegedly been working because they've been probably slowly purging kids out of their stream over this time. I do want to point this out too. Femto Bismal wrote, flashback to people figuring out if they said I'm 12 in chat, regardless of what their account is listed as, they get insta-banned. Yeah, by the way, in case you didn't know that, if you type stuff like that, like I'm 12, I'm 11 in Twitch chat on your account, you will get perma-banned and you cannot appeal that. It's happened where streamers were saying that as a joke. They're actually like 21 years old and they're like, help, I'm 12, you know, like referring to their sense of humor being like, I don't know, middle school humor or something. And they get perma-banned from that. So please don't do that, guys, by the way. This is so clever from Rose. Okay, if you like Rose Doodle, you like their vibes, because I like their vibes. They seem like a really fun person. And if you're over the age of 18, go check them out on Twitch at Rose Doodles. If you're under the age of 18, I really hope you win a PS5 from Rose. Wink, wink. You know what I'm saying? But this was really cute. So thank you so much for blessing my timeline, Rose. And if you like this video, I appreciate it if you like and subscribe. Don't forget to check me out on Twitch. I stream 3 days a week, Mondays, Wednesdays, Saturdays at 6 p.m. PST. Hope to catch you guys there or in another one of my videos.